welcome back to the Vihaan verse. I'm Vihaan. Today I'm going to tell you about the facts of science.
The first question, what do we use to see things? Question is, what do we use to see things?
Eyes,
Yes. And what do we use to hear sounds?
ears,
And what do we use to taste?
tongue,
Correct. And what do we use to sense? Touch.
skin,
Correct. And what's the fifth sense organ? What do we use to smell?
nose,
Correct.
mouth.
How many bones are there in a human body?
206.
Right. What is the organ that pumps blood into our body?
Heart,
Correct. And what plants do need to grow? What they need to grow?
air,
Hmm?
soil,
Hmm?
sunlight, water,
Yes. Correct. What do we breathe in?
oxygen,
What we breathe out?
nitrogen,
Wrong.
carbon dioxide,
Correct. What we breathe in
oxygen, carbon dioxide,
and breathe out is
carbon dioxide.
right. And what plants breathe in? Taking?
They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen.
Yes, they give out oxygen. Right. Next question is, what are the animals? They eat plants. What they are called?
Herbivores,
Herbivores. You are right. And what are the animals called who eat the plants and meat? Both. Omnivores. And what do we call animals that eat only meat? It's carnivores. Okay, remember that. Which is the star of the solar system? The sun. Yes, that is in the center of our solar system. How many legs does insect have?
6 to 8.
Yes. What the part of your body that helps you think?
Brain,
Yeah. What is the natural light in the sky at night? What?
moon,
Moon. Right. What keeps us from floating into space? Earth.
gravity,
Correct. Next question is, what organ helps you to breathe?
nose,
No, breathe.
lungs,
Lungs. Correct. What is the sound made during storm? What's that sound is called?
thunder,
Yes, you're right. And what is the light up? What light up the sky during storm?
lightning,
Yes, you're right. What shape is the earth?
it's shell, spear,
It's round or a sphere. You're right. What is a planet also known as the red planet?
Mars,
Yes. And what planet is closest to the sun?
it's Mercury,
Correct. What planet has rings?
Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune,
Yes, the visible rings are
Saturn,
correct. What do you call the animals that live in water? What kind of animals they are?
octopus,
No,
bees,
what kind of they are called as aquatic animals, right? Yes. Now the names are, you can tell.
octopus,
Hmm?
fish,
Hmm?
jellyfish,
Hmm?
dolphin, whale,
Hmm? Right, and all kinds of fishes, right? Okay. Then, which type of energy comes from the sun? What it is called?
hydro,
Which solar energy? Which solar energy? How many days does Earth take to rotate around the sun?
365,
And how many hours in a day?
24,
Correct. And how many minutes in an hour?
don't know,
60. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. What tool do you use to look at stars?
Telescope.
Yes. And what tool do you use to look at tiny things?
Microscope.
Yes, you're right. What is the colorful part of the plant that makes seeds? What that colorful part is called?
Don't know.
Flower. Flower is the colorful. Yes. What is the part of plant that grows underground?
Cabbage.
No. What is the part is called?
Root.
Roots. You're right. And what is that which grows above the soil? What is that grows above the soil? It's called shoot. Root and shoot. What do we call the force that pulls object down?
Gravity.
Yes, you're right. What is the moon made of?
It's made of
Rock and dust. It's made of.
It smells like
It smells like. To tell.
gunpowder.
Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.
Bye, and also like, subscribe, comment, and do everything. We want to get the diamond button. Bye.